Hello, I'm looking weird and I'm having a flower in my head. Can you? I don't know about that. I just stepped out of the shower. Today I got this one. This is the Sigma Viper collection. Can we zoom out a bit so I can show you? This is what she looks like. I got this PR box. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be like, am I ever gonna get used to getting just makeup like that? I don't think so. I was so excited getting this. Look at how beautiful this is. You open it up and the collection is it. Look at this babe. Look at her. And it is a palette and 2 lippies. I've talked about this in new makeup releases, going on the wishlist or not, and I said that I might be getting it, but I wasn't sure. But I got it today, and I just got home from work. I jumped into the shower, I have some foundation and eyebrows on, and I thought we'd play with this one. I have a lot of, like, I have so much makeup I want to do videos on, and there's so much makeup that I wish that I could do several looks with, but I have to be realistic. If I'm ever gonna get through all the fun things I have and be able to show you all of them and like cipher through which ones are actually my favorites, I need to make quicker videos, and I need to make a different, like a plethora of kinds of videos. Like, this isn't proper English, but I hope you understand. So today we're actually just gonna try this collection. Like I said, I didn't put any bronzer or blush on, and I thought I'd show you how these work on the skin as well, since I don't have it on. Let's zoom in again. And I'm gonna start with this one that's Sculpt. I am gonna mix these two as a bronzer, and we're gonna start with that. Oh, should I read about this collection? This is I got this paper. Pick your poison with this new versatile color collection. I really agree with that. I'm gonna show you how the palette looks in a bit. The eyeshadow palette is $36 US. There's actually a duochrome in here, and then the Venom and Antivenom liquid lipsticks are $15 each, and you can use a coupon code on these. I have a coupon code. It is Angelica. Pretty sure it's Angelica. I always have it down below, and also an affiliate link to Sigma. And if you do shop through my link or use my code, thank you so much. That is most appreciated. But of course you can use somebody else's code, or just go to sigmabeauty.com if you're not like comfortable with affiliate codes or links. So this is the Sculpt palette, and like I said, I'm mixing those 2 shades, and I'm just gonna bronze off my skin. I'm not gonna contour today. I'm gonna try and make this like fresh and fast. It's a new thing. Since I'm very like wide here, I have a heart-shaped face, I always try to put a bit of bronzer up here as well, because I want this place of my face to be a bit slimmer. So I try to avoid to put highlighter there, because I've noticed with time that putting highlighter all the way up to here makes my face look wider than it has to. It's all about knowing your own face. Try to find someone that has the exact same face shape as you, and you feel contours in a good way, and then you learn how they contour. Because there's no point in learning a contour technique by someone that doesn't have the same face shape as you. It might not look like the best on you. Of course, it's all about what you want to do. If you want to do contouring or bronzing because you want to look like create something different, or if you're just genuinely just trying to have fun, then it doesn't matter that much. Just go for it. I'm using a bit of this 24K, which is actually I think it's a highlighter, but I'm using it as a glowy bronzer, just a bit on top here, because I think I'm gonna skip highlighting too much, so I'm just going over a bit with the that glowy one. I'm using my powder brush, and I'm just gonna work this into the skin a bit. I don't know how this looks on camera, but in real life it looks really pretty. Let me take a blush brush and the blush and cheek palette. I'm gonna try and not make this pink, so I'm gonna pick this Tiger Lily down here. It is a shimmery nectar peachy one. I'm, I'm just gonna put that here. Now I'm going back into this first one and I'm taking the Shine On, the lightest one. It is just a vanilla light vanilla gold. And I'm just taking a little bit here on my cheekbones down. Not too much because I don't want it to be too glowy. Like I don't want to have that icy glaze thing. I'm just trying to look a bit glowy. Okay, let me show you the palette because it's so pretty. Wait, I'm gonna use some setting spray. I'm trying to get into setting sprays. I got this from Zara Cosmetics. This is in grapefruit. I got this in peach before, like I bought it myself and I used it up and I thought that smell was too sweet and too strong and too artificial. And when she asked me, Jen Gerard, what I would like to have in PR, I said, I didn't like the peach one. Do you have some of the setting sprays that doesn't have as much smell? And she sent me grapefruit and another one. And I love everything grapefruit scented, so I am very excited about this. I actually really like the sprayer of this one. It's really fine and I love how grapefruit smells, but if you don't like the smell of grapefruit, I don't think you're gonna like it, but I like that. So it's almost like grapefruit and almost minty. I don't like eucalyptus. It's almost like a bit of an eucalyptus, which is really nice now in cold seasons. So this is what a palette looks like. This is called Viper. It is 6 eyeshadow colors. You can see them on the back and it has a bit of plastic. Let me take that away. And this is what she looks like. Look at those vibrant colors, and this is a duochrome and we're definitely using that today. So I think we're gonna just do some green here in the outer corner and just go up a bit so that we can have a cut crease. And I think that we are gonna use the blue and then I'm gonna go over the blue a bit with the duochrome because I think that's gonna be the best. Let me see if I can swatch these. Okay, so these are the colors. Hope you can see something. You see that's like a light beige up here. And this one is a slight green duochrome. So I'm gonna see how that looks when I layer it. These are very nice and they swatch really pigmented, but the green feels a bit dry. So we're gonna see how that goes on. But I'm really excited about this one. And then there's 2 liquid lipsticks. It's the red one and it is the like pinky nude one. I think I'm gonna wear the nude one because I'm kind of excited to wear a nude. Let me get rid of this box. But I'm gonna swatch the red so you can see as well. So I'm actually gonna start with the green one and I'm just gonna pack that on and we'll just see where that takes us. Oh, that's pretty okay. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit more. If I can change the mirror as well, that would be awesome. It's not like super pigmented, but it seems buildable and it's got a lovely tone. I'm gonna take it a bit up here because I want to do a cut crease like I said. So I'm gonna take the bit of green up here so that I have a bit of space here in the beginning. You could definitely use that light beige as a transition color, but I don't want to muddy up the green with any of the browns. I'm just building up and blending as I go. It's definitely buildable. Now I'm going to take the blue and I'm actually going to spray that a bit. Since this is the only spray I have here, we're going to use that one. And I'm going to put the blue here in the middle of the lid. That is super pigmented. I mean, I did spray it, but that goes on super smooth. I'm going to take it all the way like to the outer part. Just gently blending it into this green. And I'm going to take it almost all the way to the inner part, leaving a bit of a gap. I'm just tapping here where the blue and the green meet to like blend them, and then I'm going over with the brush that I had the green and just a little bit more of green and I'm just blending. I have the teensiest bit of fallout. Let's get rid of that. And now I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna take that light duochrome I'm gonna spray that a bit as well. Let's see if this actually is duochrome, because it looks so duochrome in the pan. And I'm taking this all the way to meet the green here and to go a bit over the blue. I'm switching to the flat brush instead to get a bit more precision. I'm just blending this a bit together with the blue here. I don't see that much duochrome on the lid, but there's definitely a green tint here. Now you can see I have a bit of a place here, like there's missing a bit of green here. So I'm just gently placing some here where the green and the white should meet to make this cut crease seem more sharp. And then I'm taking a bit more of the white. So that is kind of cool. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can blend this part just a bit more, and I'm gonna use a bit of liner, obviously doing the same thing on the other eye, and I'll put some mascara on as well, and we'll come back and we'll do the lower lash line. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. I think I'm gonna put the green under my eyes as well. Am I gonna do that? Yes. Let me see if I can get a pencil brush. So I'm gonna put the green under my eyes, and I'm gonna put a bit of that shimmery light one as well. Now I'm taking some of that light white, and I'm gonna spray it just to be sure. And I'm gonna put it in my inner corners and meet up here with just a bit in the inner. Why do I feel like that turned dark? I think it's just a shadow. That's pretty. I'm gonna use a bit of, it's called Teaspoon, the green liner from Colourpop. I'm gonna use that in my waterline. Okay, like I said before, I really feel like I want to have the nude. The red would be pretty though. Let me see if I can swatch. That is very pretty. That is a nice Christmas red. I like the Sigma formula. It does dry down completely though, so if you do not like that, you might not like this. And this is Antivenom. Oh, look at that color. Yeah, we're gonna use this one. So I'll put this one on and some mascara on my lower lashes and some false lashes, and I'm also gonna dry my hair because this is ridiculous. And I'll come back as a new woman. Same woman, just some lashes. Okay, I think I'm done. I dried my hair a bit. It's a bit poofy. I put the lipstick on. Isn't this so pretty? The Antivenom. I know it comes off a bit more coolish pinkish on the screen right now than it is. It's actually slightly warmer in real life. I think the doggo is kind of bored, but I'm liking this look. I think that this is pretty. I'm really sorry that I didn't have the time to do more than one look with this palette. I have a lot of things to get through, and I thought that this is better than nothing, right? Because I felt like maybe most people that get this in PR and does looks with this will probably incorporate at least one of the shadows on the top, and at least maybe I did a spin on it that maybe not a lot of people will do. Maybe I'm totally wrong and that's not at all what's gonna happen, but I did a cut crease with the 3 bottom colors, but I feel like you could do a lot with this. You could do something with the green and the brown and tone it down a bit and use the shimmer on the lid and get a totally different, like, more toned down look. What is going on, sweetie? You want to do a cameo? No, I just put my makeup on, stupid. You want to get some food? You want to get some food? Now the cat's here too. But yeah, I think that was everything. Whoop. You want to go down? I think that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this palette. I think I'm gonna use this palette, like, so far. I enjoyed it so far. I used it once and I I really enjoyed this look and I didn't have any problems working with it. I think I'm gonna use this palette in conjunction with other small palettes because that's how I love to use my small palettes, like the 6-pan palettes from Colourpop. I think both of those that I have would go really good with this one. That could be really pretty. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know down below how you feel about this collection, if you're interested, if you're not. And I hope you liked it. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna go feed the dog and the cat and myself and my fiance as well, and I will see you in my next video, which is probably gonna be tomorrow because I upload a whole bunch of videos here on my channel, and I will see you then. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up. They're going bananas. Bye!